Intro. Welcome to Word Insights, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to investigate the word habitable. It's a term that relates to the suitability of a place for human life. Let's divine. Meaning. Habitable is an adjective used to describe a place or environment that is suitable and comfortable for humans to live in. It signifies that the conditions in that location are conducive to human habitation and well-being. Pronunciation. Pronounce habitable as ̆hæbɪtəbl, with the emphasis on the first syllable, hab. Use in a sentence. 1. The newly built house was designed to be habitable in all seasons, with proper insulation and heating. 2. Astronauts must ensure that the space station is habitable for extended missions, providing all necessary resources. Synonyms. Synonyms for habitable include livable, inhabitable, suitable for living, or fit for human habitation. Conclusion. That concludes our insight into the word habitable. It's a term that denotes the quality of a place being suitable and comfortable for human life. Thanks for joining us, and may you find or create a habitable space wherever your journey takes you.